To enable or disable automatic screen rotation on Redmi 14C, follow these simple steps. Open Quick Settings. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings and look for the icon labeled Lock Orientation. When the icon is blue, it means that auto rotation is turned off. To enable it, simply tap the icon. When the icon is gray, it means that auto rotation is enabled. Now the screen will automatically rotate when you turn the phone. To check it, just open any app and turn the phone to landscape mode. And you see that the screen is rotating, so everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video.